I'll guide you through how to remove malware from an iPhone without performing a full factory reset. If you're looking to stop annoying calendar spam, or you want to remove a suspicious app that's draining your battery, and so you need to effectively remove malware from your iPhone, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The first step addresses the most common iPhone malware, which is calendar spam. Deleting the spam calendar subscription is crucial because what looks like a virus is often just a malicious calendar you accidentally subscribe to, and deleting it stops the constant notifications. Here's how. Open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Calendar. Tap on Accounts or Calendar Accounts. Look under Subscribed Calendars for any account you don't recognize or that looks suspicious. Tap the row Calendar and select Delete Account to remove it completely. Next, you need to identify and delete suspicious apps. If you suspect an app you downloaded is causing problems like pop-ups or fast battery drain, delete it immediately, as malware can sometimes disguise itself as a legitimate app or a junk utility. Go to your home screen and find the suspicious app icon. Press and hold the icon until a menu appears. Tap on Remove App and then Delete App. This removes the app and all its associated data from your iPhone. If you don't see the icon, go to Settings, tap on General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Review the entire list of apps. If you find one you didn't intentionally download or don't use, tap on it and select Delete App. The third step is to clear your Safari browsing history and website data. Malicious websites can store data that cause pop-ups or attempt to redirect you, so clearing it is a good cleanup measure. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap on Safari. Scroll down to Clear History and Website Data. Tap this. Confirm by tapping Clear History and Data. This gets rid of cookies, cache, and other lingering data that malicious sites might use. Finally, restart your iPhone. This simple step can sometimes clear temporary malicious processes that were still running. For more advanced mobile device security management, check out the app in the description below. Now that you've learned how to remove malware from an iPhone, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Apple video tutorials. Thanks for watching.